Good morning, dear friends. How are you all? Hope all are fine. Now we are going to see chapter 2, standard 5, chapter 2, that is nouns. Let us read out about the nouns. Words are divided into different classes according to the function they perform in sentences. Such words are called parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Note, each part of speech is discussed in a separate chapter. First, let us see about the nouns. The name of person, place, an animal or thing is known as noun. There is a proper noun, okay? Now, suppose we say girl. What is the name of the girl? Now, suppose there are many names. Sima, then Atharva. Atharva is a boy name. Then Aditya, Rekha. Like these names, you can see these are called proper nouns, okay? Suresh is a very honest man. So what is the proper noun here? Suresh and man. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai and Maharashtra. The dog is a faithful animal. So these are called proper nouns. The Taj Mahal is a beautiful monument. B. Kinds of nouns. What are the kinds? Nouns can be classified as follows: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. Let us see what is proper noun. It is the name of the particular person or place or animal or thing. Person: Meera, Ali, Nurali, Nihar, John, Ram, Nilesh, Sita, etc. Now what are the name of the places? Proper places names: Mumbai, New Delhi, America, Africa, Tokyo, Santa Cruz, etc. Whatever names, it is a country name, town name, or it is a what you say state name. Everything is called proper noun. Animal: Baga the dog, Bittu the parrot, Tom the cat, Jerry the mouse, etc. Things: Parker pen, Apsara pencil, Camlin box, Nerolac pen, etc. These are already the things are given proper names. Note, a proper noun always begins with the capital letter. Okay, so whenever there are proper nouns, you begin writing with the capital letter. Common nouns: it is the name given to all the persons, places or things about the same kind or class, that is person. Driver, postman, friend, girl, boy, man, woman, okay, then teacher or master, mister, okay, mistress. These are called persons. Common nouns: place, country, city, town, village, river, sea, etc. Animal: dog, cat, cow, elephant, etc. Now why animals are called as a common noun? See, now suppose we take the dog, okay? Now suppose dog is a common noun, and suppose there is a dog and dog has got some name, okay? Bittu or what we say Raju or Tommy, or these are proper nouns, okay? The dog has got already the proper noun. Thing: aeroplane, ship, train, book, chair, etc. Now let us see the example of aeroplane. What is the proper noun for aeroplane? Go. Now there is a aeroplane named by Go. Then India, Sahara. Okay. So these are proper names for aeroplane. Now aeroplane, there are many aeroplanes. Okay. So we call them aeroplane, but they also have got names. So whatever names they have got, those are proper names, but aeroplane is a common name. Collective nouns: it is the name given to the group or collective of person, animals or things taken together. Person: a class of students, an army of soldiers, a crew of sailors. Animal: a herd of cattle, a swarm of bees, a flock of birds. Things: a library of books, a fleet of ships, a chain of hotels. Okay, so examples are given. Study the following collective nouns. These are the collective nouns, okay? Group of people, okay? I will give you the example: group of people, then a bunch of keys, bunch of bananas, then what do you say again, then another, then pack of cards. Okay, these are the this thing, what, collective nouns. Okay, collective nouns. Let's see the examples: flock of sheep, team of players, a little of puppies, kittens, or a pride of lions, a bouquet of flowers, a band or orchestra of musicians, a pack of cards, a gaggle of geese, a bunch of keys, grapes, a band of gang of robbers, or band or gang of robbers, gang of people, gang of boys. Okay, then here there are some nouns: a constellation or galaxy of stars. We cannot count the stars, so there are many, so they are called galaxy. Then here it is a crowd of people, a clump of trees, a flight of steps, a word of currency notes, a shoal or school of fish. Okay, so these are, whoever remains in group, they are also got the name. These are called collective nouns. You can read those all. Then abstract noun, it is the name given in a quality, action, or state. Quality: honesty, truthfulness, bravery, cowardice, cruelty, generosity, etc. Action: departure, laughter, flight, arrival, then some other, etc. State: boyhood, youth, poverty, infancy, etc. Abstract nouns can be made by adding the endings nes, meant, shone, ans, hence, the, shone, then hat, ship, put, ism, see, ledge, eyes, and dome to the words. Now these are the ending of the words. Okay, so the abstract nouns are ending with these words: nes, les. Okay, in some cases the end letters have to be omitted to add the above endings. Okay, these are the kind of endings given here. Okay, nes, meant, shone, ans, the, then sheep, hood, ism. See, these are the endings. Okay, these are the endings. So abstract nouns have got these endings. So some of the words are ending with these words. Given below are some abstract nouns. So they have given some examples from the common nouns, verbs, and adjectives. From the common nouns, common noun and abstract noun: friend, friendship; king, kingship; boy, boyhood; faith, faithfulness; hero, heroism; infant, infancy; patriot, patriotism; woman, womanhood; coward, cowardice; man, manhood; thief, theft; child, childhood. Then here verbs, abstract nouns: advice, advice; think, thought; discover, discovery; obey, obedience; know, knowledge; art, action; choose, choice; defend, defense; believe, belief; forgive, forgiveness; life, life; die, death; laugh, laughter; arrive, arrival; hate, hatred. So these are the verbs from verbs and abstract noun, common nouns and abstract nouns. From adjectives, adjectives and abstract nouns: angry, anger; free, freedom; young, youth; generous, generosity; silent, silence; beautiful, beauty; kind, kindness; cruel, cruelty; high, height; dishonest, dishonesty; broad, breadth; truth, truth; wise, wisdom; intelligent, intelligence; bold, boldness. Okay, now we have seen the abstract nouns and adjectives. Material nouns: it is the name given to the matter or substance of which the thing is made. That is gold, iron, mercury, wood, silver, etc. These are the material, okay, material nouns. Nouns can also be classified as countable and uncountable nouns. That means many and one, okay, which is countable and which is not countable. They are nouns that can be counted whether in the singular or the plural forms. All common and collective nouns are countable nouns. That is boy, dog, table, pen, book, class, group, etc. These are all countables. See the uncountable nouns. They are nouns that cannot be counted. They are always used in the singular number. All proper abstract and material nouns are uncountable nouns. That is India, bravery, honesty, silver, gold, etc. Let us see exercise 2.a. Identify the nouns and classify them as countable and uncountable nouns. I am going to buy a few cows. Now cows are countable. But that means a lot of work. Work is uncountable. There will be so much milk that we can even have plenty of dahi and butter and ghee. Now milk, dahi, butter and ghee is uncountable because we cannot count them. They are not in number, okay, we cannot count them. But you don't have a field of beans and cucumbers. Field, beans and cucumbers all are uncountable. Skillfully he took the ball away from the German defender. Ball, defenders, countable. I found that my arms and feet were held down to the ground with strings. Arms, feet, countable. Ground, strings, uncountable. The bread was as small as bullets. Bullets, countable. Bread, uncountable. Now there are many other exercises I am leaving for you to solve, okay. I have solved it. You can, by looking at this, you can solve. These are the some more examples, okay. Now we can see textual questions on grammar. Pick up 5 common nouns from the lesson The 12 Months and write them here. Now these are common nouns: country, stepdaughter, mother, daughter, child, okay. Now pick up 5 proper nouns from the lesson The 12 Months and write them here. I have written here. If you can get some more, you can write it. Complete the following. One example has been given for you. Patient, patience. Attend, attendance. Defer, difference. Attend, attendance. Repent, repentance. Enter, entrance. Persist, persistence. Rely, reliance. Excel, excellence. Write down 11 proper nouns from the Rangoli. Lesson Rangoli. I have written here. See. You can see here. Okay, these are the proper nouns. If you can get some more, you can write it. Let us see the noun number. There are 2 numbers in the English language. They are singular number and plural number. Proper nouns, material nouns and abstract nouns have no plural number. Common nouns have a plural number. Singular number, a noun that indicates only one person or thing, is said to be in the singular number. That is table, chair, cup, boy, man. These are the things we can count them. Plural numbers, a noun that indicates more than one person or thing, is said to be in the plural numbers. Tables, chairs, cups, boys, men. These are plural. Rules for following the plural nouns. By adding an s to the singular, it becomes plural. Okay, now they have given example. Boy, boys. Dog, dogs. Table, tables. Fruit, fruits. Now I will give some more. Girl, girls. Pencil, pencils. Box, boxes. Okay, so these are called plural and singular and plural. Let us move to the next page. By adding es to nouns endings in s, ss, sh, ch and x, bus, buses, class, classes, brush, brushes, church, churches, box, boxes. By adding es to the nouns ending in o and having a constant before it, zero, zeros, hero, heroes, potato, potatoes, cargo, cargos, echo, echoes, negro, negros. Okay, then expectations, dynamo, dynamos, potato, potatoes, ratio, ratios, stereo, stereos, piano, pianos. If the noun ends in the constant y, changes the y to is to form the plural. Baby, babies, army, armies, lady, ladies, city, cities, pony, ponies, story, stories. Next, if the noun ends in a, e, u or yo, then add only s to the form of the plurals. Trade, phrase, alley, alice, key, keys, play, place, guy, guys, boy, boys, monkey, monkeys, donkey, donkeys. Then if the noun ends in o with the vowel before the o, then the plural is formed by adding s. By adding yes. Igloo, igloos, bamboo, bamboos, folio, folios, cuckoo, cuckoos, coquetto, coquettos. Nouns ending in f and f from the plural by changing the f or fe or ves. Okay, ves. Okay, that is leaf, leaves, calf, calves, knife, knives, thief, thieves, self, selves, life, lives, expectation, roof, roofs, cheap, cheaps, draft, drafts, hoop, hoops. Then compound nouns generally from their plural by adding s to the principal words. Son-in-law, sons-in-law, commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief, passers-by, passers-by, passer-by, passers-by, stepson, stepsons, governor-general, governors-general. Some exceptional formation of plurals: foot, feet, child, children, man, men. Then louse, lice, mouse, mice, goose, geese, women, women, woman, women, ox, oxen, brother, brethren, brothers, or tooth, teeth. Okay, now 10th one. See, nouns that do not change in plural: sheep, sheep, deer, deer, craft, aircraft, aircraft, swine, swine, hair, hair. Now we cannot put es, ios, nothing we can put. This remains as it is. Some irregular plurals, these nouns which from the plural are mostly of foreign origin, words ending in is: axis, axis, crisis, crisis, basis, basis, then osis, osis, analysis, analysis, hypothesis, hypothesis. Words ending in us: stimulus, stimuli, radius, radi, terminus, termini, syllabus, syllabi. Words ending in datium, data, agendium, agenda, medium, media. Words ending in on: creation, criteria, phenomenon, phenomena. Some nouns which are always used in the plural: scissors, trousers, jeans, pants, tongues, fireworks, series. Okay, some nouns appear to be in the plural but yet but are always singular: physics, politics, civics, ethics, mathematics, news, economics. This we cannot change, this remains as it is. Okay, now there is an exercise about underline the countable nouns and say whether they are singular or plural. I will solve it with you too, and I will show you some other. Okay, then you can solve it when you get the books. There will be plenty of milk if we have so many cows. Cows plural because there are many. He picked up a stout stick that stood in a corner. Stick singular, corner singular. But you don't have a field of beans and cucumbers. Field singular, beans and cucumbers are plural. Now these are some other examples are over here. Okay, I will show you. Here also there are examples. Let us move to the next. Textual questions on grammar. Singular and plural you have to read. Cow, cows, drop, drops, stick, sticks, cucumber, cucumbers, jar, jars, pot, pots, corner, corners, garden, gardens, market, markets, sister, sisters, field, fields, friend, friends. Singular and plural. Now here we have to put IES. That is IES, ending with IES. Strawberries, strawberries, stories, stories, cavity, cavities, diary, diaries, ferry, ferries, facility, facilities. Here we have to put, here write the plural forms of the following nouns. There we saw only behind putting S. Here we have to put IES. Okay. Noun gender. Nouns can be classified into 4 genders: masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Masculine gender. A noun that denotes a male member, person or animal is called a masculine noun. The boy passed the examination. A king's order cannot be ignored. The old man was dancing. Master, your word is my command. These are masculine gender: boy, king, man, master. Okay. Now feminine. Masculine means whatever comes to the man's side. Okay, he, his. Okay, him. Feminine म्हणजे feminine means female. Okay, female. Masculine that comes to the man's gender. Feminine, female gender. A noun that denotes a female member, person or animal is called a feminine noun. The girl wore a beautiful gown. Shyam has 2 sisters. The lady of the house is quite old. The bride looked very beautiful. Then let us see here common gender. A noun that could denotes either male or female is called a common gender noun. The students have submitted their projects. The baby looks so cute. My cousin are coming from Delhi. Parents often make sacrifices for their children. Then neuter gender. A noun that is the name of a thing that is neither male nor female and which is inanimate is the neuter gender. Everest is the highest mountain in the world. That means it is not man or woman, but it is a thing. Okay, thing that is called neuter gender. There are many trees in the forest. I keep my house neat and tidy. We saw the match on television. Now you know what are the feminine, masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender. By using the different word all together: masculine, feminine, masculine and then feminine. Okay, man, woman, father, mother, bridegroom, bride, lad, lass, brother, sister, son, daughter, fox, vixen, widower, widow. Okay, here there are some more examples. You just go through it. I am showing you how it is. Okay, these are this. Okay, now here we will see exercise 2.c. Rewrite the following sentences putting the underlined words in the opposite gender. I have done it already. I am just reading 2 for you. Rest all you can solve it. I am going to buy a few cows. I am going to buy a few bulls. Okay, opposite of cows, cow is a female, bulls is a man side comes. Okay, it comes to the female and it comes to the man. Okay, man. The famous stadium in Delhi is named after the great hero. The famous stadium in Delhi is named after the great heroine. Okay, opposite to the hero is heroine. 900 men put me on the cart which was drawn by one king's finest horses. 900 women put me on the cart which was drawn by the queen's finest mares. Okay, opposite of horses are mares. Now I showed you the 3 examples. These are some more examples over here. You can see here. Okay, we have end up here a lesson. You can do it for as a homework. Okay, if you have not understood anything, you can tell me. Thank you.